Hello students, today we are going to learn unit 3. This unit is divided into two different parts. The first part is Run, which is a poem, and the second part is Nasruddin's Aim, which is a lesson. So today in this video we will learn only the first part, the poem Run. This poem is written by the poetess named Mary Daunt. Now first I will read you the poem, then I will explain the poem, and then I will give you a video in which you will listen to the poem so that you can learn it properly. Okay? So now the title of the poem is Run. The meaning of run is moving faster. Here is a picture given down below the poem. I want you to observe this picture for a while. I want you to see what is there in the picture. So first you can see a huge tree. You can see some children who are running around the tree. You can see a bullock cart which is moving upwards. You can see some houses. You can see the meadow, and it is a scene of a village. A village is also known as a country area. So now let us read the poem. The first line goes as this: away from the city. I shall read the whole stanza. Away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country, run, run, run. Now here, away from the city. City is an area which is surrounded by buildings with concrete roads and which is quite crowded. Whereas out of to the country, the third line which is there, country means a village area which is open, which has trees, which has houses, as you saw down over here in this picture. This is a country area which is open and where you can run freely. So the poetess is asking you to run away from the city and into the sun. Here in the city you cannot see the sunrise very clearly because your houses and buildings are surrounded with other buildings, whereas in the country area you will be able to see the sunrise very clearly since the area is open and the houses are smaller, not so tall as the buildings. Okay? Now we shall read the second stanza. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. So here the poetess is giving you different conditions in which you can run and enjoy it. Run in the raindrops when it is drizzling, when it is not heavy rain, when only few drops of rains are falling, it is called a drizzle. Okay, so run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees. So here you have seen these children running around the trees. So the poetess is suggesting to run around the tree. Beneath the tree means below the tree, in the shade of the tree. Run little races. So there, since that area is open, there is lots of place, there is grass everywhere, you are free to run races with each little breeze. So breeze is when the wind is moving slowly, that is known as breeze. So you can enjoy running races with each little breeze. The third stanza is run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run down the hillsides. Now here you can see there are many hills. Hills are smaller than mountains. They are not very high. So it is easy for you to climb on that and easy for you to run back again. So run up the lane. Lanes means that small roads which are there, which are not concrete, but there are small roads which are known as lane. The poetess is suggesting you to run over there in the lanes. Now run through the meadow. Meadow is this open area where there is lots of grass and lots of greenery. Okay, then run back again. So once you start running from a particular place and then go up the hills into the lanes around the meadow and then come back again. In the last stanza, the poetess says, run and be merry all through the day, run to the country away, away. So run and be merry. Merry means very happy. Obviously, when your body will get an exercise, when you will enjoy running around with your friends, so you will be happy. You can see these happy faces. These children are running, they are smiling. Obviously, they won't smile if they are sad. They will smile only when they are happy. Happy means merry, which is with the word which is given over here. All through the day. So this poet is suggesting to run a lot, get a lot of exercise, run all through the day and keep your body healthy. Isn't that the secret of being healthy? To give your body a good exercise. Run to the country away, away. So the poetess is telling finally again that run away from the city into the country, away and away, because the air is so fresh over here, there is lots of greenery over here, and there is lots of open space for you to run, for you to enjoy, for you to be active and be merry, be happy. I hope that you all enjoyed this poem. Now let me play the poem to you, okay? So I hope that you all enjoyed this poem. I hope that you get the explanation right, and I will be getting back to you again with the exercises. Thank you. Have a nice day.